honestly be blown away. This gentleman is going to be riding a unicycle while solving a Rubik's Cube while reciting the periodic tables. So, obviously, it's going to take a lot of focus.
So please be quiet. Please save your clapping until the end. You need some concentration. This is Big D and extreme concentration.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm so psyched to be here. And I know the answer to this question. I know, exactly. Okay, so here's right. I'm going to be riding a unicycle and solving a Rubik's Cube. And excited for your table of elements. Here's a cat. I'm doing it at the same time.
What?
And to top that off, I have ADHD, so it's going to be kind of hard.
I think to make it more interesting, should I mess up with the Rubik's Cube? Just so everyone knows that you weren't, put it in the right
Sure,
order.
Matthew. Here you go. Hey, I remembered your name.
I just got it changed.
Oh.
Alright, no, ready? Ready, Zach? Is that good enough? You want a little bit more? A little bit less?
That's good enough.
That's good? Alright. D, everybody, a round of applause. Punch it down.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Anyone annoyed I hope their mind yet? So, okay, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, radon, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, thorium, iodine, cesium, sodium, barium, lithium, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, niobium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, helium. Yeah, I got it. Terbium, thorium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, radium, osmium, radium, platinum, gold, mercury. I'm done, by the way. Seaborgium, bromine, potassium, nitrogen, carbastane, vanadium, carbonesium. Yes, this is the part that I go really fast. Yumbium, mercurium, uranium, uranium, heptium, septium, neodymium.
Let's definitely keep it going.